Hi folks, and welcome back to Old School Studios. Today we had the score of the century. I think so, at least. An all original 1969 Honda CT70, 100% complete, not destroyed, with 1,683 original miles. It's like brand new. So here's the situation. I don't have a title. I have a bill of sale that says it came from an estate where the grandfather died and left this to the grandson. He couldn't find a title. He wrote that out, so I'm going to try to go through the proper channels and get the title to this one. There's a couple things that I did notice wrong with it. The coil wire is touching the exhaust pipe right here, and it's giving a little burning action. The air box has been glued. He took apart the foot pegs, air filter, etc. We're going to try to put that all back together and get this thing running. I have not heard it run, and it did not turn over with ether. So we're going to do some episodes on this, and we'll be back at you. This here is the other one I have that we're going to do a build on. And I'm missing front end components, so I'm going to take the front end off of a red one that I have that has been retrofit with a Briggs & Stratton motor, so it's already been polluted, as you would say. So I'm going to take the front end off of this and probably sell it for parts and put the red front end on this that already has a tire and it's all put together. And I'm going to try to make heads and tails of this dirty mess right here. And I bought a 70 head kit and a new piston to go on here. So this is going to be a future build that you guys could look forward to. You CT70 fanatic.